Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from TikTok. We were at Vivo's big launch event of their new flagship phone about a few hours ago, 3 hours ago. Big thanks to Vivo for the invite, and here are some snippets of the event. Alright, our first impression of the phone is a mixed one. However, we were quite impressed by the overall aspects of the phone. This isn't a full review. For that, you have to stay tuned in 2 weeks' time where we can dissect and break down every component of the phone, not physically. And that's going to be our full review of the phone. So just for this video, it's going to be an impressions video, what we feel, what we saw at the event. So two things that wowed us. Firstly, it is the very beautiful display. This is the first time I've heard of a 99.6% screen to body ratio. That is just freaking ridiculous. The one on my Samsung phone, even when I'm super impressed by the display, it's only 91%. Wow. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm very sure this is the most bezel-less phone to date, right? Today is the 9th of November. I'm very sure there isn't anything which has a bigger screen to body ratio percentile. Pretty sure. Vivo calls it their waterfall display, which is actually just a fancy name for the display design. The screen kind of like wrapped around the body for a bit, and it has this very nice roll-off effect on the sides. I was totally impressed. The next thing is the ridiculous battery life. 4,500 milliampere capacity to be precise. It is rated as having a 24 hours battery operation time. 24 hours! Holy crap! So this 24 hours is of course on normal usage, and of course normal usage is very subjective. But hey, 15 hours of battery life usage is already a huge boost. Who needs a portable battery charger anymore? So the next thing which kind of like throw us off a bit is the price point. It is a whopping SGD 1299. But this was before we get to handle and have a hands-on experience with the phone. I think after having all those airtime with the phone, the price is pretty alright. Why? Because first of all, it is a flagship phone, and you can expect these days flagship phones to be of this kind of range, you know, between 1,000 to 1,400. Well, the phone does feel premium, it does look premium, so why can't it be priced premium? Okay, just before we end off, if you were to head down to the roadshow, which is at Bedok Mall, go all the way to basement 2, go to their event hall, and if you were to purchase this phone before the 12th of November, you can get a very good combo package, which includes these 3 things. How about that? I think that's a very nice combo, especially for the DJI Osmo. Wow, I would love to have that. DJI, I would love to have that. But who am I? Okay, that's it. Hope you liked the video. The review will be out in about 2 weeks' time. Stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm off. Bye!